Hey guys, David Rishka here, and in today's short video I'm gonna show you the inside of the Legendary Marketer website. So when you decide to sign up with us, you're gonna get a personal coach from day one. As you can see, my coach is Bill Thompson right here, and they will lead you every step of the way from the beginning. Um, they will start you off with 15 steps. There is a 15 videos to watch to kind of get you ready and prepare you for the journey. And you're gonna have all kinds of coaching videos over here that you can watch. You can pause, record, fast forward, come back to it, take your time. There is also option to get a coach who will it's a different type of coach who will show you how to set up ads on different platforms and help you to get people going through your website, going through your ads and stuff like that. Basically help you to get traffic and help you to get positioned in front of traffic. But anyway, so you're gonna have all kinds of training for Facebook, for example, YouTube, Instagram, all kinds of platforms. You're gonna have some additional training over here. Um, this is a little more advanced. You're gonna be working on yourself and how to be attractive, not just physically, but how to have people coming to you and asking you what you are doing with your life so they can follow you and do the same thing as you are doing. To create financial freedom, and you have all kinds of trainings over here also. And over here, same thing. So we have a lot of different trainings that you can do on your own by watching the videos, or you can do it with your own coach. Over here in the marketplace section, they will show you how to position yourself in front of a bunch of people, creating ads and displays on different websites or platforms. And this is really incredible. So these guys are gonna help you with that. When you click on these, you're gonna have all kinds of different options to select from, and it's a really great program. So I just want to let you know that when you sign up with this company, you will be guided every step of the way. We have a Facebook group also, where you can connect with other people, ask questions if you ever get stuck, or contact your coach. You are never left alone. You don't have to figure anything out. You just follow the trainings, learn, and talk to other people. Basically network and communicate to learn. Just take one day at a time. It's one of the better companies that I've ever been involved with, and they when you sign up and somebody's gonna contact you, you will feel right away how passionate they are about this, and you can feel instantly how happy they are about their lifestyle, and that they are very grateful for being with this company and creating financial and geographic freedom for themselves. So below this video I'm gonna leave a link, either a link or a button where you can sign up with us, or you can contact me if you have any questions, and I hope to see you on the other side, my friend. We are in the digital era right now, and as you know, many jobs are being replaced by computers, robots, and machines. So there is gonna be less and less jobs and work for humans. Um, So I highly recommend that you will start learning this kind of stuff, so you can create income on the internet for yourself. It's not a rocket science. You don't have to be genius. You don't have to be uh, computer savvy. You don't have to be one of those computer wizards. Everything is gonna be laid out for you over here. Every step, everything you need to know. So we have a lot of people who didn't even know how to place a picture or video on the Facebook, and they are now one of the top earners in the company also. So anything could be taught. When you start a new job somewhere, you have to learn a whole bunch of new skills, and it takes you probably weeks or months. So why not invest your time into your future over here, where you're gonna learn new skills and create financial freedom for you, and set your own working hours, by marketing on the internet. So I hope this helped. Hope to see you on the other side. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me, and I hope to see you on the other side, my friend.